Miniature videos are fast becoming one of the most viral ways or one of the most quickest ways to make money as a faceless content creator on YouTube. So if you want to learn how you can create such miniature videos, ensure you watch this video to the end and click on that subscribe or give me a follow to know how you can do this and also to get more educational videos such as this. So without wasting much time, let's get right onto it. So guys, for this particular image generation, we are going to use Leonardo AI. You can download this from your Play Store. Leonardo has the free version that gives you 150 credits daily for it to generate images. So the version I use is the Phoenix 0.9, and then you have options to change the different kind of looks that and style that you want. So I prefer the 3D render, so it looks very realistic. So now I'm just going to add my prompt. I got this prompt on ChatGPT. You can also use ChatGPT to create your own prompt, and then I'll click on go. And so Leonardo will help me generate my miniature image first. So guys, have a look at this. Isn't this cute? So it generated a couple of images for me. I think I generated 4 of such images. So here, so this is one of them, and then this is another one. So these are images. All you need to do is to pick the one you like and then you download. So after downloading, we are going to the next app, which is the Halo app. So this is also a platform that allows you to generate from image to video or text to video or to even generate images, but I use this platform for mainly image to video generation, which is what we need to animate our picture. So we are going to click on image to video. So Halo allows you to, it has free version that gives you daily credit as well, and then it also has the paid version, or you can simply not subscribe and just buy the credits whenever you want to. So we're going to click on the image. Then I'll just click on my album, and then I'll pick the image. So it's uploading. So now this is where you can then describe what you want to do. So you can put the men climbing up the ladder, walking on the giant strawberry. The men on the ground are packing the strawberry into the bag. So once you do this, finish, and then you click on create. So this will take a while, especially if you're on the free version. It will take a while and then it will generate. So just give this a couple of minutes and then we come back to it. So guys, our video is now ready. Look at that, guys. So amazing, so cool. So you can do as many as your daily credit can allow you, and then all you need to do is to just download. Because it's the free version, then you can download with the watermark. If you're on a paid version, then you download without the watermark. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.